Hey everybody, what's going on? Jim from Grassroots Drumming. In this lesson, we are going to go over some basic jazz stuff. So if you want to get to jazz drumming, you're at the right place. This is for beginners. Let's begin. Hi-hat's going to be on 2 and 4. We are in 4/4 time. So you want to get that nice strong click sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And then the other sense of time is going to be in the ride cymbal. The count's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Here I go. 1. So a little bit on the ride cymbal, make it dance on 2 and 4. I would definitely suggest trying the cymbal and the hi-hat a few different tempos, and you can get the metronome to click like quarter note equals 60, but just have that metronome on 2 and 4. The next thing we're going to do is work on some independence. The snare part is just going to be softer than the cymbals, and we're going to play that on all 4 quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can put that hi-hat in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're ready, we can now go ahead and put the jazz time in the ride cymbal, so it all sounds like this. I'll go slower. All right, now same thing. Left hand takes a break. Bass drum on beats 1, 2, 3, 4. This is known as feathering the bass drum. We're just going to play it softly on all 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. One. Okay, a last pattern, but for such an important pattern, it gets you locked in with the band. The snare part, you can go just on the snare for now, or you can do a cross stick. Okay, and then you're going to do this on 4. And that's going to imitate the ride cymbal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now we're going to add in the bass and then that pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, some tips. If that's way too much for you, that will probably happen in the 3rd or 4th practice session. Get back to this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's review. Snare part. Now bass drum. 1. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. All right, some common problems you're going to run into. It might look easy because I've been playing for decades. You might do this. I've heard learners play this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. The right hand and the right leg are always twinning. In this case, you have to slow it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. It takes work, people. There you go. Slow it down. Takes work. And like a lot of YouTube educators say, if you like what I'm doing, just click that like button, leave a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bye for now.